people seem to carry strength that others do not see. What looks unusual at first invites curiosity, dismissing what feels unfamiliar, closes inside fast. Understanding grows when awareness looks beyond the past. I admit what I don't yet know, without denial or fear. No awareness for when questions allowed to stay near. Understanding reveals hidden power behind what once seemed strange. What felt unexplainable begins to rearrange when thought seems created. Mystery finds its place. What once felt unaccounted for now shows a clear embrace. Observation opens doors that doubt once kept closed. What appeared beyond reason that follows patterns exposed. As awareness deepens steadily, clarity takes the lead. Unusual ability reflects how thought, if used indeed. Understanding reveals hidden power behind what once seemed strange. But felt unexplainable begins to rearrange when thought is seen as created. Mystery finds its place. What once felt unaccounted for now shows a clear embrace. I expand my understanding. I allow insight to grow. What once appeared mysterious